Hello, welcome in this new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install OWASP Juice Shop in Kali Linux. So we are coming in the terminal and we will give the sudo permissions with the command sudo su. So it will give the super user permission so that we can become the root user. So we will move, the second command is we will move in the opt file cd opt and we will enter in the opt file, and after that we have to git clone. So I'll show you from where to clone it. So we will go in the Firefox to clone the GitHub file. So we will come in the Firefox and there are two ways to go in the OS Juice Shop. One is the name I have applied here, Atif, and we can go by this name. And again I'll show you the another way from Firefox or Google from where we can get that file. So we will type here Atif GitHub, and let me enter the github.com. So yeah, now it is opening the GitHub file. Yeah, he is the person, he have uploaded his OWASP Juice Shop, and there are much more files on the GitHub. So where we have to go, we will go in the repositories and we will type here Juice Shop. Yeah, sorry, I have entered E. Yeah, here is the Juice Shop, and I will click on it, and I will copy the link. I will go in the code section and I will copy it, and this link I have to paste in the terminal of Linux. And another way I am going to show you from a normal way where we have to get it, Juice Shop github.com. We will type here and it will give us the link, and it will give us the file also. So yeah, now it's loading. Yeah, here is the first, second, third, fourth, whichever you will enter, that will give us the Juice Shop file, and we will go again in the code and copy the link. That's your choice. Now we will type here git clone and paste the link we have copied from the Firefox GitHub, and yeah, we will clone it. It will clone, it's near about 176 MBs, and we will now we have to install the nmp. So the command is for that. Yeah, also we can enter in the Juice Shop. Yeah, now the file has been cloned and we will enter in the Juice Shop file, cd Juice Shop, and we will make it ls so that we can check which files are in the present. So we have to do nothing and we will make it update. That's our choice to make update whenever we will try. So after making update, yeah, it's updating. Okay, after updating, we have to enter the command app install npm. So npm is the server by which we can run the Juice Shop. So it will get the files, it will install the npm files. So it will take near about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll let it do its work, and I think this is the best way to find the penetration testing and find the bugs, the Juice Shop. Yeah, now it have here completed its work, and now we will enter the npm install so that we have got those files of installation and let them to install. So remember that you should be in the opt Juice Shop file, and we will make it npm install. Yeah, now click on the npm install. Let me zoom out it. Okay, so after making the npm install, it will show some errors. Don't mind those errors. Yeah, after last command is that we have to make it start. Npm start is the simple command. Okay, npm start, and it will start the server, and it will give us the local host address, so we can reach on the Firefox. Okay, let it start its work. Okay, it's going. Yeah, the port number is 3000 is available. Okay, yeah, listening on the port 3000. So what we have to do, we will come in the Firefox. So let us find out the port number. We will come again where from we have copied the link, and here in instructions we have got that HTTP localhost 3000. You will copy it, and we will paste it in Firefox, and we will check it whether it is working or not. Okay, we have entered in the Juice Shop finally. We have successfully installed it in the Kali Linux, and we can check here and work in it to find the vulnerabilities, and for penetration testing we can make it available in the Kali Linux. So I hope you have got this video. If you have got it, so I hope you will subscribe the channel, and be sure if you have got any error, so you can comment and I will really reply you. So thanks for watching this video.